Welcome to Best For You. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen magic with 4 incredible smoothie blenders that'll revolutionize the way you blend, mix, and whip up your favorite treats. From the powerful Ninja to the sleek Hamilton Beach, these blenders are here to shake up to your smoothie game. Stick around to uncover the ultimate blending secrets and discover which blender suits your style best. Trust me, you won't want to miss this blend-tastic adventure. Let's jump right in. 1. Ninja BL60. The power behind this device comes from its 1100-watt motor. It pulverizes even the toughest ingredients into snow-like consistency in seconds, allowing you to effortlessly whip up creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. With professional performance, it offers 3 different manual speed options, a pulse function, and a single-serve feature. Its spacious 72-ounce capacity enables you to enjoy smoothies with the whole family or entertain guests. All parts are dishwasher-safe and BPA-free, plus it provides inspiration with 28 different recipes. Included in the package are the 1100-watt motor base, 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, 2 16-ounce single-serve cups, 2 spout lids, pro extractor blades, and a 28 recipe inspiration guide. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen with Ninja's smoothie blender and whip up healthy snacks in an instant. To who? NutriBullet Pro 900. This sleek modern beauty adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen with its matte black color, while offering you healthy beverages with its 700 ml capacity. With 900 watts of power, you can puree anything from strawberries to spinach in seconds. The package includes a 32 OZ, 900 ml colossal cup, 24 OZs, 700 ml tall cups, and 3 portable lids. Most importantly, this NutriBullet lets you whip up healthy drinks in just 60 seconds, making it the perfect choice even on busy days. And cleaning is just as easy. Remove the blades, rinse with soap and water, and pop them on the top rack of the dishwasher. With this NutriBullet, staying healthy has never been easier. Don't forget like and subscribe. 3. Hamilton Beach. Or 8A. This smoothie blender offers powerful blending performance with its stainless steel ice saber blades and 700 watts of peak power. With this blender, you can easily prepare a variety of beverages, from smoothies to protein shakes to frozen drinks and more. Thanks to the patented wave action system, you'll achieve ultra-smooth results. As you blend, the ingredients are continuously pushed down into the blades and circulated around the jar, effortlessly crushing even the toughest foods. The blender's spout allows for easy pouring into your glass without spills or drips, making serving a breeze. Cleaning is a cinch with the dishwasher-safe glass jar, lid, and blades. With a 40-ounce capacity glass jar, preparing multiple servings is a breeze. The jar, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe. This multi-function blender boasts 12 blending functions controlled by 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel. It's perfect for blending and crushing ice for smoothies and milkshakes, making purees, dicing, chopping, and more. 4. Magic Bullet Blender. You can mix, blend, and chop your favorite foods in seconds with the Magic Bullet. Hassle-free cleaning. Just twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. The high-torque 250-watt motor provides the versatility of the machine. There's no limit to the sauces, dips, drinks, and snacks you can create. Included, 250W motor base, crossblade, tall cup, short cup, party mug, 2 lip rings, 2 Stay Fresh resealable lids, to-go lid, and a 10-second recipe guide. The crossblade is made of stainless steel, and the cups are super durable. BPA-free material. Hassle-free cleaning, just twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. Don't forget to check out real user reviews in the description. Remember to like the video and subscribe.